Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego City Jungle, and it's the CARG0 helicopter SET60158 from 2017 to 2019. As you can see, you get this jungle piece with a gold cup as treasure, and also you get this beautiful spider piece, and also you get this crate, and also this jungle ATV or quad bike, and you can see this guy's got a machete to cut the branches that's in the way off. And I'm going to turn this clockwise, and then it goes down, and then I'll put onto the crate. Now I turn it anti-clockwise, and then it lifts the crate up. As you can see, now the crate is airlifted. Unfortunately, I built the back wheels of the helicopter incorrectly. And this is what the CARG0 helicopter looks like. And this is what the back of this jungle piece looks like. And this is a beautiful addition to add to your Lego City if you're going to have a jungle theme. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.